welcome back to my channel. Today I have Samantha,
Hi.
Nobly,
Hi.
and Christopher, and me. So today we're gonna, that's mine, okay. So we're going to be doing a satisfying, gotta turn the TV down if you want to do this, okay. Doing a, you can close the door if you want.
Satisfying.
No, satisfying.
Christopher, you can go
slime
get
thing. Warning you guys, is this will be cringy, so I will put cringy in the title. Yeah.
Cringy slime. This is so small. My thing is so small.
Stop.
That's weird.
Guys, I know you guys probably can't see this too well, but
Go bananas.
go bananas.
See me?
Yeah, guys, so this is
Yeah. So then you're in the middle.
okay, because it says my channel. You feel?
I'm not filming you anymore.
Sorry, Mom. No.
I'm
No,
feeling
no,
you. I'm feeling
Don't
you.
touch me. He's
Guys,
so
watch
touchy, feely. Hey, Dad, if you're watching this, this is very cringy, so beware, Dad.
Does he even watch your channel?
Yeah, he does. Make sure I'm not posting anything inappropriate. No cussing on this, guys.
We know. We have our own channels.
Making sure. Okay.
If you watch our videos, Samantha Boucher, Christopher Boucher, Nobly Boucher.
Okay, guys, so had to pause you guys for a second. I had to say something. I'm sorry, guys. This is going to be very boring, but
I'm cringy.
we're not gonna talk. If we talk, then I'm not gonna post it. Okay? So I'm not gonna talk, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this slime first, satisfying, and then it'll be Nobly, and then Samantha. So, alright, no, yeah, then Mr. Know-it-all over here.
Gangster.
Excuse me. Alright, no, don't play with your slimes, make any noises, okay?
Can I take my shirt off?
No, you cannot. That's inappropriate.
No. I have it off my channel.
Still, that's just,
any of my videos.
this is my channel, trust me. If you do that, there is a lot of little kids that watch this. They will be disgusted. God. Okay. Alright, my turn. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
No time. Go! Bananas! God.
He's not, just ignore him. He's not in it no more. Can you like block that son? Thank you.
Go to Jacob. Don't pause it.
Okay.
Guys, I exactly paused it on 2:59. Exactly 2:59. Wow.
Okay,
4 minutes now.
so there's this slime that is like
Oh, that's like so
store-bought from the dollar store.
googly.
Actually.
Yeah, it's so.
I guess this
Never
is what
buy
the
slime
thing
from the store.
is. Hold up. And then I show you guys the cap. What's my
I got
cap?
it right here.
Okay, that's what the cap looks like. It says slime.
Yeah, it's like upside down.
It's like really upside down. That is the inside of it, and the outsiding
It says
of it.
caution.
Caution! If you eat it, kids, you'll die. I'm just kidding. You'll get really sick. Just don't eat it. And you could die.
She bit it yesterday.
Yeah, I bit it yesterday.
Give me the beads.
Just don't do that.
We're
It
gonna put
was
some
a
beads
dare.
in.
It was a dare. See, guys?
Sammy's beads are behind the screen. But there's beads on the steps. Christopher can go get. Get ready.
Okay.
What are we doing for Girl Scouts?
Okay, guys. So we gotta go to Girl Scouts. So hopefully you guys like this 4-minute video. And if you did, yeah, you just like it.
I was
and
dumb and stuck my slime in
Shut up.
Don't forget to watch part 2 and
Yeah.
subscribe.
Yeah. To my channel. Bye.
And to mine.